Hi guys, it's ASBYT. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 5 and I've been using it on and off for the last couple of weeks. So it's time to show you what happened in the quick unboxing, then I'm going to go over the setup including connecting it to your smartphone and changing the language, etc. And then I'm going to go over all the new features, the differences from the Mi Band 4 and should you buy it. And for all the latest breaking tech news, unboxings and reviews, hit that subscribe button and ding-a-ling that notification bell. So clues in the name, the Mi Band 5 is the 5th generation of Xiaomi's most popular smartband. It offers the majority of functionality of popular smartwatches, but it's delivered in a smaller design package great for the active and lovers of all things minimalistic. It has a sleek and sporty design and looks great with any outfit other than a suit. Don't be that person. In the box is the band, the charging cable and the manual. And that's literally it. The setup is equally as simple, just following the instructions in the manual, which unfortunately for me are all in Chinese. This won't be the case when the global version drops, of course. Now don't be deterred if you don't want to wait for that global version, but you do want the band to be in English because you can change the language very easily within the settings. So the first thing you need to do is download the Mi Fit app from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and connect the band in the new devices section. In the app, you have the battery percentage, you have the store, which has a list of different faces to choose from. You've got the unlock screen, incoming call, event reminder and alarm. You also have app alerts where you can customize which notifications you want to receive, and idle alert, which when set will make the band vibrate if you're being a little bit lazy and haven't moved in 1 hour. It's been going off a lot for me lately because I've been very lazy during lockdown. The final few features in the app include Find Band, heart rate monitoring, night mode which lowers display brightness when activated, shortcut, display and workout settings. If we jump to the Mi Band 5, you can scroll left or right to go between notifications, weather and music. And if you scroll up or down, it goes between status, i.e. step count, calories, etc. You've got Pi or Pay, and this stands for Personal Activity Intelligence. You have your heart rate, notifications and stress, in which I got a score of 44, which apparently is mild, so I'm happy with that at the moment. You also have a breathing exercise, which is probably useful if you are stressed. And finally, you have events and reminders, weather, workout and more. Now the workout section has been improved from the Mi Band 4. We now have 12 different workout sections. There's outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, indoor cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing machine, yoga, jump rope, pool swimming and freestyle. Once you've chosen the workout, simply select it and start recording your progress. If you want to go back at any point when using the smartband, simply press the home button at the bottom. Now the band face is slightly different from last year. Not a lot, but slightly different. It's a 1.1 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 126 by 294. So it's ever so slightly bigger than the Mi Band 4, which is 0.95 inches, and the bezels are slightly smaller as well, but the design difference really isn't hugely noticeable. It's made of 2.5D tempered glass to minimise scratches, and it's water resistant up to 50 meters. Now battery life is also another pretty huge reason why you might want to buy the Mi Band 5. I've been using it, like I said, for the last couple of weeks on and off, and I've only charged it once. And the way the Mi Band 5 charges is also a big plus from the Mi Band 4. You now don't have to remove the watch face from the band in order to charge the device like you had to on the Mi Band 4, as the cable connects straight to the back magnetically, so it's a lot less faffy. Now as far as I'm aware, there are two different variants. There's the standard edition and there's the NFC edition as well. And in the one I've got as an example, there is Alipay in the More section alongside Do Not Disturb, Alarm, Settings, etc. The two possible turn-offs for the Mi Band 5 is appearance if you would prefer a watch and not a band, and also the fact that you can't actually respond to notifications from the band. You would have to go to your phone to do that, but again, I would probably do that anyway because typing on there would be an utter nightmare. Now, if you do already have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4, then the 5 is a bit more of a harder sell because they look pretty much identical and it feels more of a software upgrade than necessarily a hardware one. So for a budget smartband, and we're talking 30 to 40 UK pounds, I'll try and pop some currency conversions up here. For that sort of money, then you can't really go wrong. And I think the Mi Band 5 is going to be another very, very popular smart device this year. Let me know in the comments which colour you would go for. I think it comes in black, grey, red and yellow, so there's quite a wide variety there for you as well. I will leave links to where you can buy the Mi Band 5 in the video description below if you're interested or if you just want more information. Drop a like on the video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of this sort of tech content. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Says BRT, peace out.
Do just what you want.
na 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 na, come on, galaxy, na 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 na.